geometry and the nomenclature of a twist drill is shown in this particular figure. A twist drill has three principal parts. First is the drill point, which is also known as dead center. Second is the body, and third is the shank. Now let's understand some other nomenclature of a twist drill. First is the drill axis, which is the longitudinal central line. Then we have the drill point, which is the sharpened end of the drill body, consisting of all that part which is shaped to produce lips, faces and chisel edge. Then we have lip or cutting edge, which is the edge formed by the intersection of the flank and the face. Then we have lip length. It is the minimum distance between the outer corner and the chisel edge corner of the lip. Then we have the face. Face is that portion of the flute surface which is adjacent to the lip, on which chip impinges as it is cut from the work. Then we have chisel edge. Chisel edge is the edge formed by the intersection of the flanks. Now what is this flank? Flank is that surface on a drill point which extends behind the lip to the following flute. And now what is this flute? Flute are the grooves in the body of the drill which provides lips and allows the removal of chips and permits cutting fluid to reach the lips. Flute length is the axial length from the extreme end of the point to the termination of the flutes at the shank end of the body. And the shank is that portion of the drill by which it is held and driven. And body is that portion of the drill nomenclature which extends from the extreme cutting end to the beginning of the shank. Then we have something that is called heel. Heel is the edge formed by the intersection of the flute surface and the body clearance. And this body clearance is that portion of the body surface which is reduced in diameter to provide diameter clearance. Then we have core or web, which is the central portion of the drill situated between the roots of the flutes and extending from the point towards the shank. Lands are the cylindrical ground surface on the leading edges of the drill flutes. The width of the land is measured at right angle to the flute. Then we have something called recess. Recess is the portion of the drill body between the flutes and the shank, provided so as to facilitate the grinding of the body. Parallel shank drills of small diameter are not usually provided with a recess. Then we have chisel edge. It's a corner formed by the intersection of a lip and the chisel edge. Then we have drill diameter, which is the measurement across the cylindrical lands at the outer corners of the drill.